So, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi cited an article in a magazine reportedly quoting an unpublished memoir of former Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narwane to claim that Narendra Modi government was scared of the Chinese. This is Rahul Gandhi's interpretation during the post-Galwan standoff. He claims this was the perception of then Army Chief General Narwane that the army was let down by political leadership of the country. The BJP says that's clearly not true, considering Prime Minister Narendra Modi had given the armed forces a virtual carte blanche on how to respond to the Chinese at the LAC. And look at the facts on ground. Not only did India stand up to China, but India stared the dragon down with that quid pro quo operation. So if the Chinese were coming in one direction, India went and occupied the Kailash ranges and they were directly dominating the Moldo garrison. We'll get you more details on that, about the operations on the Kailash hills and the disengagement that subsequently took place. But was General Narwane implying that there was a weakness in his perception in the higher direction of war? That's that big political face-off.
Sir, this is not, he is not yielding. No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. No, only started. No, no, he is not yielding. He is not yielding.
प्रकाशित हुई है तब तो आप उसका उल्लेख करिए, नहीं प्रकाशित हुई है तो उल्लेख करने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है.
He is trying to quote a magazine report.
हमारा 4 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है.
जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष कह रहे हैं, यह इसकी जानकारी उनको कहां से प्राप्त हुई है, इसके आधार क्या है, मैं जानना चाहता हूं.
अध्यक्ष के रूलिंग को न मानने का नियम भी इसका भंग करे माननीय विपक्ष के नेता. हम सदन किस तरह से चलाना चाहते हैं?
इस आर्टिकल में प्राइम मिनिस्टर और राजनाथ सिंह के कैरेक्टर के बारे में जनरल नरवाने ने लिखा है. जब चाइना हमारे सामने खड़ा था, आगे आ रहा था, 56 इंच की छाती को क्या हुआ था?
Parliament turned into a battleground.
He is on the foot. Defense minister cannot involve.
Repeated disruptions.
Sir, they are disturbing the magazine. He is quoting. He is quoting the magazine.
पर बोलेंगे.
Loud sloganeering and a political face-off
लिखा हुआ नहीं पढ़ सकते आप. अध्यक्ष जी ने ना बोला है.
between top ministers in the Modi government and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi over a yet-to-be-published book by former Chief of the Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narwane.
इसका भंग करे माननीय विपक्ष के नेता.
Rahul Gandhi stood up with a magazine article citing quotes allegedly from General Narwane's book on Chinese incursions. But before he could proceed, the Treasury benches objected.
He is not leading. He is on the foot. Defense minister cannot involve.
It's a matter of national security. Chinese troops, forces were right in front of our forces. Chinese forces, our forces had taken Kailash Ridge, sir, in eastern Ladakh.
He is only starting.
क्या वह पुस्तक प्रकाशित हुई है जिसमें यह सब सारी बातें उन्होंने लिखी हैं? यदि प्रकाशित हुई है तब तो आप उसका उल्लेख करिए, नहीं प्रकाशित हुई है तो उल्लेख करने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है.
So,
Rahul Gandhi insists that claims of Chinese incursions are authentic, insisting that these are from General Narwane's account.
this is not me. This is the army chief. This is what the army chief has written in a book. The book is not being allowed to be published. It is languishing. And this is the army chief's perspective, his view. Why are they so scared of the army chief's perspective?
The speaker cited parliamentary rules and asked the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha to follow them, not cite sources that hadn't been authenticated.
आप अध्यक्ष की रूलिंग को चुनौती नहीं दे सकते.
कोई चुनौती नहीं देना.
अध्यक्ष की रूलिंग होती है, अब ध्यान रखना, ठीक है ना, जब भी सदन चलता है.
रूट के मिसइंटरप्रेट
माननीय सदस्य आप बोलिए, राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण में बोलिए, नीतियों में बोलिए, पॉलिसी बोलिए, आलोचना कीजिए.
President's address. Because sir,
But Rahul Gandhi continued to repeat his point despite multiple rulings by the chair.
अध्यक्ष जी आपने व्यवस्था दी, आपने व्यवस्था दी. माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मेरा व्यवस्था का सवाल है. ये 349, का नियम भी इसका भंग करे माननीय विपक्ष के नेता। ये 389 को भी तोड़ रहे हैं।
The Congress hit back saying BJP does not want uncomfortable facts discussed.
नरवणे जी ने प्रधानमंत्री जी के बारे में, राजनाथ सिंह जी के बारे में अपनी किताब में साफ लिखा है। वो एक आर्टिकल में आया है, मैं आर्टिकल को कोट कर रहा हूं, मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। वो डरे हुए हैं क्योंकि अगर वो निकला तो नरेंद्र मोदी और राजनाथ सिंह की जो रियलिटी है वो लोगों को पता लग जाएगी।
He is trying to quote a magazine report.
हमारा कितना जमीन सहन रखी आपने?
की जाती है।
Lok Sabha was adjourned for the day, but the Congress continued with its attack on the government outside Parliament. Will there be more fireworks on Jal Narvane's book on Tuesday? With Mosmi Singh and Piyush Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.